You want good candied yams? Do this right here. Soak them up in some water and vinegar. Give the skin a nice peel. Make sure there's no leftover skin. Chop them into whatever shape you like. I like mine thin and round. Do 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of light brown sugar or whatever kind of sugar you want, and then 1 cup of white sugar. Then we're going to go ahead and let that sit overnight. Don't forget to flip it. Next, decide between your 2 biggest pots. Put you a little bit of water at the bottom so the sugar doesn't burn. Go ahead and re-add everything you did the day before and a little bit of that juice that the yams created. Go ahead and give your yams a nice little stir. You don't need to bother them. Just let them boil and steam. The longer they steam, the better they taste. This is something you can do while you're cooking everything else. When they start to bubble, give them a nice agitation. Make sure they're soft. Go ahead and put them in a pan and top them with a half a stick of butter or a whole stick of butter, and then serve. They will come out perfect every single time. Thanks for watching.